Hi guys, today we're going to be learning 30 essential expressions in Spanish. 30 expresiones esenciales en español. So we're going to start with pobrecito. I hear someone say, oh, you poor little thing. Pobrecito. Cuidado, another one. Cuidado, like to be careful. You can say cuidado. If you want to congratulate someone, you can say Felicitaciones. Felicitaciones is like congratulations. For felicitaciones, congratulations. That's so ridiculous. Okay, ridículo. Okay, ridículo. And if you want to say like our equivalent of cheers, or also if someone sneezes, you can say salud. Salud. If you want to express how interesting something is, you can say que interesante. So very similar English word, que interesante. And if you are cold, you can say que frío. Que frío. To say how awful something is, you can say que horror. So like if something is horrific, que horror. Que horror. You can also express how loud something is. You want to say, oh, it's so loud. You can say que ruidoso. Que ruidoso. To say how beautiful something is, we say que hermosa. Que hermosa. And if you want to say, oh, that's fantastic, you can say que fantástico. So like fantastic in English, que fantástico. To say how hot something is, you touch something and burn yourself, it's so hot. Que caliente. Que caliente. If you are an unlucky person and you want to express how unlucky something is, you can say que mala suerte. Que mala suerte. So someone tells you something and you want to say, oh, that's nonsense, or come on, you can say que va. So que va, that's nonsense. And if you want to say how careless of you it was to let the dog run through the house after the rainstorm, I don't know. You can say que descuidado. Que descuidado. How careless. And how amazing something is, you would say, oh, that's amazing, or that's incredible. You can say, que barbaridad. Que barbaridad. How incredible. How lazy it is that you just sit on the couch all day. Que perezoso. Que perezoso. What a relief. What a relief it is that I don't have to spend another minute with you. What a relief. Que alivio. Que alivio. How stupid. How stupid do you think I am? Que estúpido. Que estúpido. This is too much. Esto es demasiado. Esto es demasiado. This is too much. So this one, for any Simpsons fans, caramba, like Bart on The Simpsons, ay caramba. It's actually a Spanish word for darn, wow, or geez. And of course, por supuesto is of course, por supuesto. How silly. Que tontería. Que tontería. How silly. Que lástima. Que lástima. That's too bad. What a pity that is. Okay, there is no way I'm doing that. De ninguna manera. De ninguna manera. There is no way. Finally, we're almost finished with this video. Just kidding. I love talking to you guys. Finally, por fin, finally. Oh my God. Dios mío. So you might hear this one quite a bit, especially if you're a Spanish-speaking family. Dios mío. Oh my God. What a mess. Que lío. Que lío. What a mess. Que asco. How awful. How awful. Or disgusting. Que asco. And how cool. How cool it is that you can fly an airplane. Que genial. Que genial. Alright guys, that's it for 30 essential expressions in Spanish. If you like this video, please be sure to check out the 5 essential phrases in Spanish if you haven't already. And check back to tuned for my next video.